Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Best Consumer, your go-to source for everything cutting-edge in the world of technology. Whether you're a gadget guru, a tech-savvy pro, or just someone who loves staying ahead of the curve, you're in for a treat today. From dream to dimension, today's 3D printers are more than just machines. They're innovation at your fingertips. Whether you're a maker, designer, or entrepreneur, a great 3D printer brings your ideas to life. In this countdown, we reveal 4 of the best 3D printers of 2025. Faster, smarter, and more precise than ever before. Let's build something extraordinary. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 3D Printer. A. High-speed. Quiet. Workhorse. That. Punches. Above. Its size. The A1 is ideal for creators who want plug-and-play simplicity with auto-calibration and fast filament loading. This sleek little beast saves time without sacrificing quality. The Bambu Lab A1 delivers precise prints. Easy. It supports multicolor printing with AMS. Fast printing speed saves valuable time. Auto-calibration ensures reliable, consistent output daily. The build quality feels sturdy and clean. Excellent for hobbyists and pro makers. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and LAN. One of the best plug-and-play printers. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Creality's king of upgrades just got better in 2025. Ender 3v3 SE brings dual Z-axis stability, a direct drive extruder, and automatic bed leveling, perfect for beginners and pros who want reliability on a budget. Affordable yet powerful for new creators. Very smooth. This model has auto bed leveling feature. Dual Z-axis ensures better precision always. Quiet printing mode helps home usage. Responsive UI and easy assembly too. Print quality is great for price. Ideal for entry-level and intermediate users. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. Blazing speed and intelligent features collide in this beast. The Kobra S1 delivers 500 mm per second with Klipper firmware pre-installed. It's built for speed lovers who won't compromise precision, flexible plate, and smart UI make printing smoother than ever. Comes with auto leveling and fast printing. Accurate results. Flexible magnetic build plate is included. Easy nozzle cleaning and maintenance process. Touchscreen interface is simple and clear. Supports multiple filaments with reliable feeding. Great choice for creative projects. Compact design fits well in workspace. Number 1. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The K1C is a powerhouse made for the serious printer with carbon filtration, all metal extruder, and speed up to 600 mm per second. It handles tough materials like a champ. Quiet, fast, enclosed, and feature-packed for your workshop. Top-tier printer with blazing fast speeds. Ultra-reliable. Has enclosed chamber for stable temperature control. Great for carbon fiber filament printing. Features AI camera for monitoring prints. Self-check system improves overall success rate. Very low maintenance required overall. A professional-grade machine for serious creators. So, whether you're prototyping a product or printing your passion, these printers deliver real power in 2025. And we've made it easier for you to get started. Affiliate links are in the video description. Tap the one that fits your needs best. Like the video. Subscribe for more tech pics.